Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today is going to be a final video regarding the Halloween theme, and this was a mold that has been with me for some time, and I thought perfect day for making this. It is simple but not quite so simple for me. I had an idea in my mind and I was actually going for a simple theme today. So there, if you can see, there are sparkles and a crystal and then a moon on the cat mold. So I thought I'm going to use a golden marker. So this is a chrome marker by J Diction. So I actually tried this marker before. I used the golden color, but these markers are very metallic and amazing to work with. I think I'm going to use them more now. So I'm going to select the golden color and I will highlight all the details now. So first I will be doing all of the sparkles, and then I will be gradually doing all of them. So this marker has such a lovely metallic golden, and not the dull one. It is a lovely metallic sheen to it. So I was thinking that this is a very straightforward, simple mold. Yeah, you can see that it is very simple mold, but for me, I found it a bit difficult, and you will see why I'm saying that. After doing that, I'm going to use Resincrete. You can use resin also, and I will be in future making a resin one, but for now I'm going to use Resincrete. And for my black pigment, I'm going to use this jasmonite pigment. It is very concentrated, so you get a very lovely black color, and I've mixed it already. So the ratio is 3 grams of water and 10 grams of powder, and I mixed it according to my need, and I added the jasmonite black pigment, and now I'm just adding it into the mold now. So the few things that were making me a bit confused was either to cover the eyes or not, and then you will see the other one that I will be talking about. First, I'm going to fill this cat up. And then I'm going to fill this other part, the tea light holder, and I really don't know what these edges are for, the golden ones that I highlighted. And then this one, I was thinking either I have to pour Resincrete, but I think this might be a part of this mold, so I filled it with the Resincrete. And then I'm adding some more, and I just covered the eyes also. Leave this to dry now. So after around, you can say 1 hour, you can see that I've covered everything because I was confused either I have to cover it or not, but I did in the end. We will see what I did wrong here. I'm going to very carefully remove this out of the mold. Now I was afraid that I might break it, so I will be handling it here and there. And now I'm going to take this out of the mold, and this is how it turned out. I was thinking that these edges that are open in between, there might be something I have to do with them, but I really don't know at the moment. I'm just going to demold this cat now. And I know my glove has been ripped off, so bear with me. At this point, I was afraid that I might break the tail, but thankfully it is out of the mold. No damages so far. And then an accident happened and one of the cat ear broke, and you can see the golden didn't transfer itself. It remained onto the mold. I think it will transfer onto the resin. So now you can see that this one broken. I'm just showing you the pieces that were broken, and then this cat ear. So this is a sad story here. The mold that was very simple didn't turn out simple for me, although I do so many complicated things, but things happen and I'm just sharing with you. So what you can do here is that you can mix some more Resincrete and apply it like a paste and then attach your stuff. So it do work, but I will be using glue here. This is the glue that I will be working with, and I will be applying this onto the air, and then the piece that broke off. And in my mind, I was thinking that now the golden didn't transfer itself onto the cat. Now I have to do something else. So one thing you can do is that you can add your golden pigment into bottles that have very tiny needle-like nozzles, but I don't have at the moment with me. So I'm going to think something else for that. This is broken. I'm going to fix this also. So this is actually an extra support for the shelf that I'm going to put for the tea light holder. So this is meant for this. So in this way, this is made now, and I put the shelf into the area there that was meant to be. And so far, I'm happy that I was able to fix this. Otherwise, it was such a waste. And now for filling up all the sparkles, I'm going to use my Pinata Brass alcohol ink. Yeah, it is the one that is going to save this project here. And slowly I'm going to add this drop by drop into the bigger sparkles, and for my smaller one I'm going to use a toothpick. As it is an alcohol ink, it is going to spread itself. But all in all, I'm loving this mold. It is such a lovely, cute mold, and the cat turned out to be so pretty, and the crystal in between. It is a lovely mold. It would be such a help if the marker could have transferred themselves onto the Resincrete. So we live, we learn, and that was a lesson for me that it do not work like that. You have to do something else. So this is, I think, is working, and I was happy about that. And now for this crystal, you can see that there are very tiny lines in between. So for the tiny ones and these lines, I'm going to use my toothpick. So I will be doing this to all of them, and I will show you the final look. So this is the final look. I am loving this. It turned out to be really lovely. It is a simple mold, and now I know what I'm going to do next time. So yeah, I just love this one. So one thing more that I didn't do is, while it was curing, I had to put something in the on the back so that it could be it, because it is a wall hang. Otherwise you can put it like that, but still it is a wall hang, so it has meant to be having something at the back to hang. So one thing that was bothering me was these you can say the empty spaces in between, and I was thinking that they might be for something. I don't know. So here I'm just showing you against the wall. So later on, it came to my mind that these are meant for hanging your necklaces, bracelets like this. So these are the empty spaces in between. So if you're using a resin or Resincrete or any other casting powder, you need to leave these spaces empty. So this is my mistake. I think a lot of you already know about this mold, but I don't know, and I haven't seen anyone using this before. So that's the reason I got so many fails here, but I'm going to figure them out, and I was really anxious to see. So I removed the shelf, and then with the help of pliers, I did created some spaces in between. At this time, I was really afraid that I don't want to crack anything, but in the end, I was successful to create the spaces. So you will see that it's coming, and you will see I did hang some necklaces. So now you can see that this is such a lovely shelf. So it is perfect size for adding some crystals also. I just thought this about now. Otherwise, I've put some crystals onto the shelf. And in the end, I'm loving this mold. And I will link the mold in my description, and I am sure a lot of you will like this. You can make it in different colors. I went with the, regarding the Halloween, I went with my black combination with the golden. It is always perfect and comes out 100%. Although I did a lot of mistakes, but in the end, it turned out to be really well. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And take good care of yourself. Bye bye.